In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress maintenance error quickly and safely. If you've ever tried updating a plugin or theme and suddenly saw the message briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute, and it just stays there, don't worry, your site isn't broken and this is usually very easy to fix. I'll walk you through 3 proven methods step by step so you can get your website back online fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The most common reason this error happens is because WordPress gets stuck in maintenance mode after an interrupted update. Maybe your internet dropped, the server timed out, or you closed the browser too early. When that happens, WordPress creates a temporary file called .maintenance in your root directory, and sometimes it doesn't remove it automatically. So the first fix is to locate and delete the .maintenance file. To do this, log into your web hosting control panel, such as cPanel or hPanel, and open the File Manager. If you prefer, you can also connect using an FTP client like FileZilla. Once you're inside, navigate to your WordPress root directory. This is usually called public_HTML, www, or it may be a folder named after your website. Inside this main directory, look for a file named .maintenance. Keep in mind that this file is hidden by default because it starts with a dot. If you don't see it, enable the option to Show Hidden Files, sometimes called Show Hidden Files or Show .files, in your File Manager settings. In FileZilla, you can enable Force Showing Hidden Files from the Server menu. Once you see the .maintenance file, simply delete it. After deleting the file, refresh your website in your browser. In most cases, your site will immediately come back online. If that solves the issue, you're good to go. However, if your site is still stuck in maintenance mode, don't worry, we have 2 more methods to try. The second possible cause is a plugin or theme conflict. Sometimes an interrupted update can corrupt a plugin and prevent WordPress from finishing the update process. To test this, go back to your File Manager or FTP client and open the WP content folder. Inside, you'll see a folder called Plugins. Rename this folder to something like Plugins Disabled. This will instantly deactivate all plugins at once. Now, go back to your website and refresh the page. If your site loads correctly, then one of your plugins was causing the issue. Rename the folder back to Plugins, then log into your WordPress dashboard and reactivate your plugins one by one. After activating each plugin, refresh your site to identify which one is causing the maintenance error. Once you find the problematic plugin, delete it or reinstall a fresh copy. If disabling plugins doesn't fix the problem, there's one last advanced method you can try. In rare cases, the wp-activate.php file may be stuck in installing mode. Go back to your root directory and locate the wp-activate.php file. Right-click and choose Edit. Inside the file, look for the line that says Define WP Activating True. Change True to False, so it reads Define WP Activating False. Save the file and refresh your website. This forces WordPress out of installation or maintenance mode. That should completely resolve the WordPress maintenance error. Now before we finish, let's quickly talk about how to prevent this from happening again. First, avoid bulk updating all plugins and themes at the same time. Update them one at a time to reduce the chance of timeouts. Second, never close the browser tab while an update is running. Wait until you see the message that says Update Complete. Third, make sure you're using reliable hosting with enough server resources to handle updates. And finally, use a staging site whenever possible to test major updates before applying them to your live website. And that's it. You now know how to fix the WordPress maintenance error step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.